Hi, folks. It's Koach Kalloo here. I just wanted to get in front of you. You may have heard, or you're probably going to click on it somewhere along the lines, that you're going to find out our Monday Mindset meeting is coming to an end. Let me explain a little bit about why that is. When we started Monday Mindsets meetings back in April, it was really in response to helping businesses, folks in life, leadership as well, just to have a place to be able to connect. The idea was to make sure our mindset was what it needed to be. And so over the several months, I was able to invite quite a few people experts in their own field were able to come in and to be able to start the week off. And it was every Monday, hence why it's called Monday Mindset, right? Every Monday for about 30 minutes, people were able to kind of come in, log in, to be there, be connected. And we really wanted to be responsive by helping the best way we could. So we think we've done a lot of that. I think people are getting back into their routine. And so the Monday Mindset meeting hasn't been heavily attended to. However, we're going to be switching it to something a little bit different on our podcast, and that's going to be coming up a little bit later. Christopher and I are going to have some conversations about what we want that to look like. So we hope that you're able to join us for that. And for those who are missing the Monday Mindset meeting, know that we have all the recordings. It's on our podcast as well as on our YouTube channel that you can check out. Sometimes you just have to pivot. Everyone knows about pivoting right about now. And that was really what it was for Monday Mindset meeting. So thank you for all of those folks who attended. Thank you for all of those co-hosts that came on and made it so spectacular. We are looking for the next chapter for us and staying connected. Take care of yourself.